Rosal Sara A. Castro. I'm 22 years old. I'm a BS Information Technology graduate. I have a cerebral palsy, but that doesn't stop me from serving God. Every day, I am facing with trials, challenges, and temptations, but I continue to live for the glory of God. I experienced the most painful part of my life that hindered me in experiencing God. It was in my college days when I experienced spiritual revival. Back in college, I was a household name. I changed life so fast that when my schoolmates seen my presence, they were being inspired and changed. I joined the list of honors when I was at my second year. But things just went wrong. I don't know why. When I saw my grade slip, I suddenly cried inside. But I can't cry aloud. Suddenly, I checked my daily quiet time. It was rare. Then, God whispered, "Come to me. Come to my presence again." Then, when I come in the presence of the Lord again, I experienced freedom. But it was not that painful because I know I had God. God has survived me many times in my 22 years of living. There are times when God allowed us to experience His silence. But that doesn't mean He forsaken us. He allows us to experience parental discipline. He loves you and He will be faithful. John 15 clearly discusses how God treats His children. May these words move you to commit or recommit yourself in experiencing God's revival. Enjoy the concert and God bless.